Hi YouTube, JFone02. Today is how to make my my launcher. Hold on, I'm taking it apart right now. This one's hard to take out. No, it's not coming out, so all you need is this piece. Make sure it has holes. You need this, two of these, two of these, this one, and this one. And remember I said two of these, and this. Okay, so first you get this, and the second one, put them together. Then you take, oh snap. Then you take this one and put it in the middle, as so. You take the second one, put it in the middle, as so. Then you get this one, put it not all the way, just put it like barely in there. Then you make sure it's in the middle hole. Okay. You get this, put it in. Make sure there's a little gap between them. Like this, like that, like that much space. Put it like not all the way down. Then here it is. Push it down a little bit, like that, and here it is. It always spins, and then you have to get 2 fingers. Snap. Spins pretty good. Fast. Then to add it to a grip, here's my grip. You just place it, you take this piece, you put it on here, right? And put it between, the blue piece goes here and the extra piece goes there, like this. Ready? In there. It is. Make sure to flip really hard. Alright. And then, yeah. String launcher mode. Yeah. Alright, that's it. Bye, YouTube.